Welcome to CBS Canvas by Srinivas. Today let's design this logo with interlocking of letters using Canva. Open canva.com, click on create and open YouTube thumbnail as resolution. Click on text and type letter D and increase the size. Change the font type to Allegre and duplicate the letter D and type C. Change the letter C color to bluish green and copy it to another page. And now download it. Then upload it to the first page. Overlay it on the letter C. Select the image and click on Busy Remove. Interlock both the letters and send the letter C background and drag the image to match with the letter C. And go to layers and bring the image to forward. And crop it from the top. And adjust the letter D little bit right side. That's it. Check out this final result. If you like this design, please like, comment and subscribe and stay tuned for more interesting videos like this. Thank you so much.